million blogs are being posted every day. How do you make sure that your blog is unique? Driven by a passion to write and of course work, content creators need to keep the flow of ideas going. It is crucial that every blog that we craft is relevant and significant. But never running out of blog ideas can seem like an impossible task. I mean, it's not like you wave a wand and a list of ideas appear magically. However, a few tips and hacks can always help. I am Pooja, and today I will be sharing a few techniques that have helped me keep the ideas flowing. But before we move on, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for alerts. Write about trends that will help your web content become popular. Trends are a thing of the present. Every profession and industry constantly comes up with new trends that help their growth. Our lives, in fact, are loaded with trends too. Cash me outside girl, then it goes to the fidget spinners, and now Bitcoin is trending everywhere. You can use Google Trends, Feedly, SparkToro and BuzzSumo to find present trends. Your content could be based on trending news, viral videos, hashtags, viral images, podcasts, memes, GIFs, clickbait headlines, etc. Trust me, blogs on trending content will never be out of trend. Blog tutorials can be your gold mine. Blog tutorials are a great way to build your blog because they are instantly engaging. Your prospect wants to learn how to do something and you can teach them. Make a list of common and pressing problems and then write down the solutions. Break down steps providing clips of each stage. Whatever your niche is, there are tutorials to write about it. Whether it's showing someone how to make a delicious vegetarian chili recipe or setting up a retail store with Shopify, aim to help your audience with your content. News is always a valuable source of information because it's constantly changing. Whether you're writing about a specific topic or creating general interest posts, the news will always be a valuable source for topics because it's ever-changing and constantly in flux. When I say news, I do not solely mean news that's aired on your television. Sites like Google News can be good for quickly summarizing various news topics. Check sites that are dedicated to reporting new developments and trends that apply to a specific audience. Shortcuts are short but super effective. They say there are no shortcuts in life. But when it comes to work, it's always exciting to learn a few tricks that help us save time and energy. Be it Excel, Windows, coding or any application, shortcuts make our life easier and let us save an ample amount of time. Think about shortcuts and hacks that your target audience requires in their daily life. Create short clips for each shortcut and embed them into your post. People learn more when they see shortcuts and hacks in real interferences. You can add voice and text animation to your shortcut videos as well. You can leverage them simultaneously for YouTube marketing. Checklists are convenient and they save time. It's similar to blog tutorials but rather more quick and easy. Create your blog around the exact steps needed to perform any task or achieve any goal. Start with a useful checklist title. Decide the tasks that should be included on your checklist. Consider grouping the tasks, placing them in a logical order and putting them in small steps. Use simple and clear language in your checklist that's easy to understand. Make sure your checklist is formatted to make it easy to understand. Organize your checklist so that action points are clear and distinct from non-actionable items. Number the tasks or use bullet points in your checklists to make scanning easier. Share templates for work that need to be repeated. Create templates of things that worked brilliantly for you and helped you make work smoother and more accessible. It could be email templates, design templates, report templates, financial analysis or digital marketing templates, or even product development templates. With templates, you don't reinvent the wheel every time. Share templates, gather feedback, optimize the process. Review products and share your first-hand experience. Online shoppers are hoggers for good product reviews. 90% of people read a review before purchasing a product online. Your audience will appreciate that you did the homework for them and tried out something new. Write down your first reactions. What did you notice about it? What immediately pops out at you? How does it compare to other products like it? Take notes as you use the product. Research what other people are saying about it. If it's an item with a long learning curve, consider revisiting your post after you have had experience with the product for a while. But while you do it, make sure you're honest with the opinions you share. Remember, a lot of people will eventually rely on your word before they spend that time. While you may be well aware of the challenges within your niche, you need to educate your audience on how to navigate them. Think of what might be some potential pitfalls to your niche and how to avoid them. Expose hidden fees, break down costs of services. Illustrate how you or others have faced these challenges and overcome them. Check the news regularly to see what people are talking about in your niche. Pay attention to what customers say in reviews, social media posts, and other channels. Look at forums and discussion boards to see what's on people's mind. Webinars are a great way to learn about new topics and share what you have learned with others. Attending webinars will help you stay on top of industry trends and give you expert insights that can be shared with your audience or followers. Look for webinars that would be interesting and valuable to your audience. Ask questions to interact with the experts, speakers, and others in the chat. Focus on the main takeaways from the webinar and a few of your favorite tips. Check out past webinars offered as recordings by visiting the website and signing up for email updates about upcoming webinars so you won't miss them in the future. Last but not the least, your old ideas are a source of inspiration for new articles. Look no further than your old content if you're looking for blog post ideas. Read your blog posts, old diary entries, and old notebooks. Look at what you wrote in the past that you still strongly believe in today and reflect on it. Update a piece of information that has been superseded by recent developments. Have you discovered a new, better way of doing something that you used to think was impossible? If you're feeling hesitant, remember, your old content is not going to appear new again if you don't revisit it. So that was my set of techniques and hacks for all you lovely viewers out there. If you still need someone for your content, we at MyTasker would love to fill in the blank pages with amazing content for you. If you find this video useful, please press the like button. For more videos like this, do not forget to hit the bell icon below. Till then, happy blogging.